Hey folks, Mike Chisel Mortgage Group. Okay, loan process, step 6, final closing. Here we go. Closing and getting your keys. Now you're a new homeowner. Okay, so we have our clear to close from the underwriter. We send our loan documents to the title company about 1 to 2 days before closing, and then we send the monies, our monies, to the title company the day before closing or the day of closing, depending on what time we're closing during that day. Okay, so now you wire your monies that you have to go ahead and provide for as your investment in this property the day before closing. Always, always, always pick the phone up, call the title company to confirm wiring instructions, because there is fraud in the mortgage industry and title industry where people try to take your money. So always call to confirm where you're wiring the monies to. Now, the whole process of closing, which is really signing lots of documents, maybe about 30 documents ballpark, takes about 45 minutes. They go over page by page. You sign every document. Then, when the documents are fully signed, what's happening is then that's when you get your keys. But you must also bring your ID with you. And if you're married in the state of Florida, you have to bring your spouse to sign off on the mortgage. Now, here's the cool part. You close, let's say in the month of June. Your first payment is not due until 2 months later in August. Whether you close June 1st or June 30th does not matter. No payments in July. Then you make your first regular payment in the month of August. It's due the 1st, payable by the 16th. So folks, now you're a happy homeowner. Congratulations. Hope this process was very simple for you to understand. If you have any questions regarding mortgage financing, please call us at the office, Chisel Mortgage Group, 727-376-6900. We'd be glad to go ahead and take great care of you. Thanks and have a great day.